HLOOKUP is equivalent to horizontal lookup, which means horizontal search. This function searches for a value from the first row of a table and returns the corresponding answer from the desired row. Well guys, the arguments of this function are four. The first one is lookup value, which is the amount or value that is supposed to be searched, and it can be in the form of number, text, date, cell address, and etc. The next one is table array. This argument indicates the search location and must be in the form of a table that has the authority of a database. The value of the first argument is searched from within a table. The next one is row index num. In this argument, you must write a number. This number represents the line number from which you want the answer to be displayed. And after that, we have range lookup. This argument is optional and specifies what the function should return if it doesn't find the exact value of the first argument. Well, this argument has two options and can be either true or false. In this example, the VLOOKUP function, if the table containing the formula is presented horizontally, you should use the HLOOKUP function to solve the problem. For example, here we write HLOOKUP, we enter this code, we select the desired table. In this section, we enter the line number. And in the last argument, we enter 0. And after that, we press enter. And now if we change the code, it will automatically show us the names related to that code. But my friends, pay attention carefully. The difference between this function and the VLOOKUP function is that this function searches row by row. But the VLOOKUP function searches columns. So we use this VLOOKUP function more and the HLOOKUP function is less useful.